Roku mobile app tips all users should know. Use your smartphone to regulate your leisure choices. When you have a Roku streaming device, equivalent to a streaming stick, set-top field, or Roku TV, the companion Roku Cell app for iOS or Android offers a wealth of sources, together with serving as a distant management, launching channels, trying to find content material, and extra. The Roku Cell app can manage Roku-enabled units, however is not a universal remote able to controlling different leisure sources. Use the cellular app as a Roku distant management. Should you misplace your Roku distant management, the Roku Cell app duplicates its directional keypad and different controls. Here is the way to enter the distant management function. Earlier than you start, obtain the Roku app for iOS or Android and ensure your cell system is on the identical Wi-Fi community as your Roku. Open the Roku Cell app in your iOS or Android system. Faucet distant on the underside menu. With the on-screen distant, use the arrow keys to navigate the Roku menu simply as you'd with the bodily distant. Use the Roku Cellular app's swipe pad. The Roku Cell app helps you to swap the normal directional keypad for a swipe pad for navigating a Roku's menus. Here is the way to activate this function. Open the Cell app and Faucet Distant to enter the distant management. Within the upper left nook of the display screen, Faucet Controls, 3 traces. Below Distant Kind, Faucet Swipe. Faucet the again arrow. You are now in swipe menu mode. Use swipe gestures to navigate the Roku menu. Use the Roku app to discover out what's on. The Roku app makes it straightforward to take a look at what's on, highlighting a collection of free, common, and trending films and reveals. Choose a present to play it, share it, and study extra about its viewing choices. Here is how. Open the Roku app and Faucet Roku channel. Scroll and browse quite a lot of classes, together with sitcoms, household nighttime, comedies, crime, recreation exhibits, and extra. Faucet any present to show a synopsis, forged data, viewing choices, and extra. Faucet play to go on to the present. Use keyboard or voice search. If you understand what film or TV present you need to watch, use a textual content search or a voice search to seek out it. Use textual content or voice to seek for a Roku channel, as nicely. Use your voice to navigate the house web page, launch channels, or play a film or TV present on chosen apps. Difficulty voice instructions like launch YouTube, seek for dramas, watch Stranger Issues on Netflix, and tune to ABC. From the Roku distant display screen, faucet the magnifying glass to launch a search. For a textual content search, sort the title of the present, film, or channel into the search discipline. Faucet a search outcome to show extra data, together with viewing choices. Faucet an episode or film to observe the present. For a voice search, faucet the magnifying glass, then faucet the microphone within the search discipline. Faucet give entry to let Roku enter your system's microphone. Faucet OK to verify. Converse your search time period. The Roku app shows your outcomes. Launch your favorite channels. It is simple to launch a channel instantly from the Roku Cell app. Open the Roku app and Faucet Distant. Faucet channels within the lower right nook. Swipe to scroll by means of current channels in your Roku. Faucet a channel to launch it in your Roku-equipped TV. When you have a Roku TV, use the Roku Cell app to modify the TV's HDMI, AV, and antenna inputs. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.